Hey, this is Sigma Made Simple. This is the 10th tip, day 10. I'm Luke. Let me show you the tip. Today is kind of a fun one. We're going to show you how to add a GIF. So there are a couple ways to add a GIF. The first way is you could go and add a new element and you could just embed. And I'm just going to paste in a Giphy GIF or a Giphy link, and you can see I've added in that link. I don't really like how this comes in with all this extra stuff, so I'll show you another way. And that way is to just go add an image. So I'll just add an image, and I can now click add image, and I'm going to go add this Keanu meme as an image. So now that I've added that, I can set it. I can shrink it to fit as it is. I could scale it so it's going to fit the height, or I could have it cover the whole thing, which is covering the width. And now I could just place this wherever I wanted to on my canvas here, so you can see side by side those GIFs. And by the way, the reason you could do this is you could make a GIF of you showing how to work with a particular workbook or a dashboard and embed that GIF. Anyway, this has been day 10. Thanks, and we'll catch you real soon, maybe tomorrow for the next one.